Hello all and welcome to Finominal UK for a new tool demonstration where today I'll be presenting our investment report. So I'm going to head over to the Fund Explorer initially, where I'm going to go to the top 10 most popular funds in the UK as of June 2026 and I'm going to look at 100% equity funds for this demonstration. So I'll go for Vanguard Life Strategy 100% equity, also go for Artemis Global Income, WS Blue Whale Growth, and the FTSE All World Index. I'm going to take this over to the asset comparer. Once in the asset comparer, I'm going to load the proposed portfolio into the asset comparer. You can either just base it off these funds or any securities, or as mentioned, I am going to also put in, say, this portfolio that I've created here. So, import accordingly. Once that's loaded in, we shall then look to the top right hand side where you'll see a new button where it will say download investment report. You can either leave this unallocated for a target fund or portfolio just for a sort of a full analytical look through. I'm actually going to target the proposed portfolio as if doing a replacement business. Download report, where once downloaded, I shall show you the output. So this is accessible via the asset compare reports. You can do this from anywhere from 1 security up to 5 as shown, where once loaded, I shall show you. It is quite a long and in-depth document, so it's working away in the background. Here we are. And this is the report output. So you'll see your firm's logo at the top here, investment reports, prepared by advisor name, as of what date, and then the assets of which are in the investment report. And you can also click the link in the investment report to go straight to the asset comparer to pick up your analysis. So I'm going to give you a slow scroll through the investment report. Pulls through the fund descriptions for any of the funds that you've selected, gives an executive summary as well as performance summary, also looks at performance and benchmarking, core metrics, risk and returns, additional metrics, as well as a cumulative returns chart, risk and drawdown analysis, and if you note, you will see the selected portfolio being the main one of which the report is sort of driving home against and analysing the other securities against. But we've got all of the data there for those other securities, again, both actual and replicated stress testing to show risk versus return, so an insight into Sharpe ratio there as well, correlations to stocks and bonds, so what's a correlation matrix, allocation analysis, so breakdown by asset classes, geographic exposures, top 10 country exposures, even down to sector allocations as well. Towards the latter pages, positioning and fundamental, so fundamental metrics as well as overlap matrix, look through analysis of the top 10 stocks, and then concluding with your firm's disclosure at the bottom. All of this is changeable in regards to your firm logo, advisor name, and the disclosure in the report settings of Finominal. But I do hope you're all as excited for the investment reports as we are. But other than that, she'll see you all in the next tool demonstration. Thanks all.